Miss Velma. I served you for so many years. I was loyal and faithful to you. Tapos ito yung babayad niyo sa akin? Ang gawin akong kalaban?
Shari, come on. Huwag mong palabasin na tinatraidor kita. The mechanics are fairly simple. We sell, we perform, then we count the sales. And voila! You have a winner and a loser.
Unbelievable.
Velma, talaga bang pahihirapan mo pa ang sarili mo just to prove yung kakayahan mo? At this point, at your age, mas mahalaga magpahinga ka na.
Wala akong kailangan patunayan. Si Sharin may kailangan patunayan. Hindi basta-basta na ibibigay ko yung trono ko sa'yo. Itetest pa natin kung kaya ng leeg mo ang bigat ng korona ko.
Okay, Miss Velma. But if I lose, anong mangyayari sa akin?
Well, our roles are gonna be retained if you lose. But if I lose, it's gonna be your crowning moment. Mapupunta na sa yung Velma Beauty at pwede ka na magreyna-reynahan dito. You know, that's actually a good marketing strategy because you're gonna be indestructible. And matatakot na silang kalabanin ka.
So parang we're rewarding women based sa tibay ng sikmura nila?
Exactly. Kaya if you win, Shari, you better thank me. Dahil mas intense ang competition sa labas ng Velma Beauty. This could be your first training. Not to mention, we have to count all of the sales of this new project. So it's gonna be a win-win situation. All good?
Well, may the best beauty win.
This leaves us with Noreen. Sino bang kakampihan mo?
Hindi ko po alam eh. Susunod lang naman ako sa utos nyo. At the end of the day, empleyado nyo pa rin naman ako.
Separate Shari from Miss Velma.
Dahil gusto kong ipakita sa isang Velma Imperial kung nasaan na ang babaeng nasa cover ng magazine na ito ngayon. You are Velma Imperial. The true queen of Velma Beauty. Kaya alam mo rin kung paano siya matatalo. Alam kong si Miss Velma ang nag-utos sa'yo na ilaglag si Miss Tara Park at sinunod mo siya. Ikaw ang mas pinagkakatiwalaan niya. That means only you have what it takes to lead Velma Beauty. Dahil ikaw ang totoong nagdadala ng Velma Beauty. Ikaw pa rin ang panalo, Shari.